Hi guys, this is Fred. Check naman natin ang Tanfoglio Stock 1 guys. Yan, ganda niya guys. Kapapalit lang no site natin. So, and of course, meron daw cut, mas maganda. Try natin yung performance niya. Pero guys, as expected, ang ganda ng patama ng Tanfoglio Stock 1. Nakaka-add yung weight para ma-achieve na yung accuracy ng tama na. And of course, it's Tanfoglio. Go wrong with this. So yun guys, pero ang ganda, very classic look. Kung nag-play sa ganito, kung nagko-competition kayo, dito. So yun na guys, this is press checking Tanfoglio Stock 1.